Okay, so you go to nylon. Here we are showing you gloves. Gloves are made up of nylon. So remember we had nylon 6 and nylon 66. So nylon 66 is what we are starting with. The monomers are diaminoxane and xane dioic acid. Dioic acid. Okay, so the monomers for nylon 66 are diaminoxane. Xane means 6. Okay, 6. 6 carbon atoms. And then N, these are xane. If you say xane, you have a hydrocarbon compound of 6 carbon atoms. And then here is also 6 carbon atoms, xane, 6 carbon atoms, dioic. You have 2 carboxylic, the functional groups for, you have 2 functional groups for carboxylic acids on the same compound. So nylon 66 gets its name from the fact that both these compounds are having 6 carbon atoms. So this is what we mean here. This is an amino group. This is an amino group. So there are 2 amino groups. So that's what we say, diamino. And then here, the functional group for carboxylic acid is this, and also this. So there are 2 carboxylic acid functional groups. Okay, so that's what we say, dioic, 2 dioic acid. So when you combine this, these are the 2 compounds are not the same. You get this polymer. This will be the repeating units. When you see this N, it means it's the repeating unit. It goes on repeating itself, and you get a byproduct as water here. So this is a condensation reaction, condensation polymerization reaction. So you get water as a byproduct here. Okay, so that is nylon 66. So what are its properties? It is water repellent. That means that it can dry easily. It is durable. It is harder to wear off. And then it is insoluble in most solvents, and it fuses at temperatures above 200 degrees centigrade. I want you to look for the definition of the word fusion. What happens when a material undergoes fusion? Okay, so nylon, we use it for many purposes. Nylon 66, we use it in making stockings, gloves, clothes, carpets, and fishing nets. And then we have nylon 610. Nylon 610. So still we have diaminoxane, the same that we had earlier on. The only difference here is that here we have 1,6-diaminoxane. The meaning of this is that the amino group is placed at carbon number 1 and also at carbon number 6. So that's what we mean by 1,6-diaminoxane. And then here, the decane-dial dichloride. Okay, so you have the functional groups placed at carbon 6 and also carbon 10. And we use this for making surgical gloves, curtains, fishing nets, and also carpets. So nylon polymers can also be called polyamides because we're talking about the amino groups. And these amino groups are many, so we say polyamides because they contain peptide bonds within the polymer chain.